Unit of measurement, introduction. Stock items are mainly purchased and sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity in turn is measured by units. In such cases, it is necessary to create the unit of measure. The units of measure can either be simple or compound. Example of simple units are numbers, meters, kilograms, pieces, etc. Example of compound units: 1 kilogram of 1000 grams, 1 dozen of 12 units, etc. Unit of measurement creation: simple and compound. Create following simple unit of measurement in Tally Prime. Units are numbers, kilograms, dozens, grams, boxes. We need to create given simple unit of measurement in Tally Prime as per instruction. To create unit of measurement in Tally Prime, we should navigate Create option under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Unit under Inventory Masters. Here we can see Unit of Measurement Creation page in Tally Prime. We can access F12 Configure option to configure additional information such as provide formal name as yes, use number of decimal places yes. We can also access more details option on button panel to display symbol and formal name, number of decimal places. Click on Show More along with Show Inactive to view other information related to master creation. Let's create first unit of measurement. We should select type as simple, symbol as numbers, formal name as numbers, decimal places as 0. Enter and accept. Next, kg, formal name as kilograms, number of decimal places as 3. Please note, in Tally Prime, maximum number of decimal places can be set as 4. Once number of decimal places is set, then it cannot be reduced if transactions are recorded using such unit of measurement under Stock Item Master. Enter to accept. Next, symbol as DZ, formal name as dozens, number of decimal places as 0, symbol name as GM, formal name as grams, number of decimal places as 0. Next, symbol as BX, formal name as boxes, number of decimal places as 0. Enter and accept. Create following compound unit of measurement in Tally Prime along with simple unit of measurement. We have to create two compound units as kg of 1000 grams, dozen of 12 numbers. To create compound unit, we should select type as compound, need to define factor, kg of 1000 grams. Enter to accept. Next, dozen of 12 numbers. Enter to accept. So this way, we have created simple and compound unit of measurement in Tally Prime. To view all created unit of measurement in Tally Prime, we should navigate to Chart of Accounts under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Go to Units under Inventory Masters. Here we can see list of units created. Total 7 units are created. Box, dozen, dozen of 12 numbers, grams, kgs, kg of 1000 grams, numbers. Unit of measurement, alteration and deletion. To alter any unit of measurement in Tally Prime, we should navigate Alter option under Masters menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Unit under Inventory Masters. Here we can see list of units as box, dozen, dozen of 12 numbers, gram, kg, kg of 1000 gram and numbers. To edit unit of measurement, select the particular unit, for example, box. Here we can change symbol name, we can change formal name, we can also change number of decimal places. Apart from symbol, formal name, number of decimal places, we cannot edit type of unit. Here we can see type selected as simple. We cannot edit this as compound. Now, let's alter symbol name as box, formal name as boxes, number of decimal places 2, enter and accept. To delete any unit of measurement, select particular unit of measurement, for example, box. To delete unit of measurement, press Alt-D to delete. Please note, unit of measurement cannot be deleted if already used in any inventory master. Enter to accept. Here we can see box unit of measurement is not available under given list of unit of measurement. So in this way, we can alter or delete any unit of measurement in Tally Prime.